Hello, fabulous ladies. I just wanted to come tonight and I just want to say, first of all, I want to wish everyone who is a mother a happy Mother's Day. And those who are not mothers, I'm sure that you've been some role model for someone. And I wish your mother or grandmother and those who are special to you and dear happy Mother's Day. But I just wanted to come and be brief. I just wanted to come because I always like to come and be transparent. You know, I watch YouTube videos from time to time as well, and I always like to be transparent. You know, when you see videos, you be wondering when you see the hair videos or you see the health videos, and you always want to know, well, how was it before? How were they before they did this, that, and the other? So I wanted to come. Maybe about a year or so ago, 2 years ago, I did a video on some clip-ins, and I'm coming back. You know, sometimes we have those days where we're just having a bad hair day, or maybe we have something to do, we have somewhere to go. It's special occasions coming up, graduations, family reunions, birthdays, and you just don't know what you're gonna do with your hair. Well, I am coming today because I want to show you. Y'all see my hair? Yeah, it didn't look like this before. But I want to show y'all how you can do something in less than 10 minutes. Well, it's not all about the time, but it's what you can do. You know, sometimes we don't know how to, some of us don't know how to do hair. Thank the Lord I was blessed to try to do something to my own hair. But some people just don't know where to start. Well, I want to come and tell you, clip ins is the key. This is the key. When you don't know what you're going to do, you don't really know how to do hair, and you know the old saying, go fake it until you make it. This is the key. You might not know how to glue it down. You might not know how to sew it down. You might not know how to put the lace fronts on, but you can clip some hair in and keep it moving. So I want y'all to see how it looks now, because I'm getting ready to be transparent. I'm getting ready to show you what it looked like, and then I'm going to show you as I'm taking it down. So you know, like, this girl for real, what she talking about. I am. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to start from the back. And this actually comes in 9 pieces. 9 pieces right here. So I put the longer pieces in the back, which would be the 9-inch. So I have one 9-inch piece that I'm going to take. I'm going to take it out. And I just want y'all to see how easy it is. You don't even have to worry about, having a long time trying to take all the glue out and, pulling out your hair and all of that stuff. And when you're taking it out, you want to be a little careful because you may get some tangles. You're getting some tangles in it, but that's one piece. That's not the 9 piece, but I just want to show you how simple it can be. So what I'm gonna do, another thing too, I want to share this, because when I was getting this from the beauty supply store, one of the workers in the store was like, she was always curious about how that would work, because she didn't know how you would cover up the track. Now you can't see anything, but I had a little trick there on what I did to the front, and I'll tell you about it. But all of the clip-ins, all I did was clipped it starting from the back, and I worked my way up. And look how simple that is. Look how simple. Yeah, like I said, I am tangling as I'm pulling it out, but simple. Now, you know, if I can pull it out simple, it's just as simple putting it in. See, I want to be transparent. I want to tell y'all how today. So while I'm taking the other clip-ins out, I want to say even someone that has short hair or no hair, this will still work. You can even purchase the wig caps that's already braided. You can use the braided wig caps for crocheting your hair, as well as the clip-ins. There's a workaround for everything. And so right there you can see I'm having a time a little bit taking it out, but it's still simple and easy, and because I'm on camera, but just look simple and easy. So ladies, it's no excuses. And these clip-ins I actually purchased from my local beauty supply store, but better yet, they are actually at Amazon. And so I'm glad I know now. We could even carry it up in this style. We could just do so much with these. Okay, so the trick is to the front. I carried everything going to the back. Started from the back and I worked my way up. And when I got to the front, what I did was, instead of bringing it to the back, I bring it to the front. I clipped it going to the front, and then I flipped it back. Voila. And it covered up all the tracks. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all how simple it is. Told you I was going to be transparent. I want to show you. I'm just one of those people. I love helping people. And I just want to keep it real. You know? That's all. I want to keep it real. Get you some clip-ins. When you don't know what you're going to do, you can't make it to your hairdresser. That don't have to be a tragedy. But sometimes, you know, when we don't get our hair done, we don't feel the best. But if we can do our hair, oh my goodness. At least it'll give us encouragement. So that's what I did. I did these to the front, and then I flipped it back. Okay. Now, a lot of people braided their hair. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of time, so this is what I did. Okay, here I am. Ooh. I did leave this out. I left this out. This is me now. This ain't going over. This is me. So I didn't have all that time to braid my hair and everything. So I just parted it here. I did leave this little piece out. I braided this going back. And then I took this and I braided it. But I had already slicked it because I had my hair earlier in a ponytail. So I slicked this down and I slicked it with this Extreme Pro Expert Real 24H of Extreme Control 10X gel for everyone. So this is what I use. And so I just slicked it down. And what I did was I put one big braid here and I put one braid there. I'm gonna show you the back. The back is a hot mess because I don't even know how the back look, but it don't even matter. So if you can't braid, you can't do all of that, just pull it back in a ponytail. Nobody's gonna see it. So this is the back of it. I don't know what it looked like back there. And so what I did, you can take a crochet needle and just crochet it, but I stuck some bobby pins in the back of it because again I didn't have time. But that's all it is to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Nothing to it but to do it. It didn't take no time to take it out. So I wanted to come and I wanted to show you what you can do with some clip-ins. And you know what? All I gotta do is clip it right there. And see, on the back hood, it has a comb there. It has a comb here. And it has a comb here. and a comb here. Now all of them don't have this many, but this is what you stick it in your hair. So you want to have it like that, and then you want to take it and you want to just place it wherever you want to put it. You know, you want to make sure it go in there, and then once it's there, you're gonna bend it, and then it's gonna snap. You can hear it. You're gonna hear it, so you're gonna know it. And it's tight, and you don't even have to worry about the glue taking up the time trying to sew it down. There's nothing wrong with that. But when you don't have that kind of time and you want to look cute, you know, you want to be able to quickly fix your hair. You want to quickly be able to do something. And see, I'm not even, you know, paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm just putting them in right now because I'm showing you all, but you can make turn a bad hair day into $1 million hair day. I'm telling you something like the truth. You got to do what you got to do. And one thing about it, like I said, when you look good, you feel good. You know, sometimes you may be going through so much, but it's something about when you can look in that mirror, you know, and look good on the outside. It gives you encouragement and hope for the end, you know, to work on your inner self. So, like I said, now I'm just piecing them in. I'm not even, because these are some of the longer pieces here that could have went in the back, but I'm just gonna put them in now just to see. So I wouldn't recommend sleeping in the hair. You know, it's so simple. It's clip-in, so you can just clip them out, because especially this kind, you don't want it to get too frizzy. You know, it does look like our natural hair, so that's fine. But and see, you want to make sure that you get enough. But yeah, I'm just saying, it ain't nothing to it but to do it. You can pull it up, you can put it in a ponytail, you can do all that good stuff. And see, I still have a lot more pieces to go. I mean, it's hard using my camera as my mirror, but that's basically all it is to it, y'all. Now, I'm telling you, y'all thought I want to be honest. I like to be honest. I tell you I do. I just love helping people, and I'm just so passionate about it. So, you know, okay, there you have the track. You can see the track, and see the way I did it this time, you can't really see my part there, but so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this one to the front. And see, you can mold your hair down however you want it to be, but I'm gonna bring this one to the front, and then I'm gonna flip that up. And see, you see that? And then I'm gonna also bring this one to the front too. And I don't even know if I left enough. Okay. So I'm gonna flip that one. It's getting a little tangled there. But I mean, you know, and you can always cut it. You can cut it. If it gets tangled, you can put some mousse on it. And you know, you can play around with it to get it how you want it. These are clip-ins. Come on now. I paid less than $25 for it. Shopping. And like I said, and you can style that. I would, play around with it and slick that down a little bit more and slick that up. But look, you can't see anything. I see nothing braid, but other than that, you can't see nothing. You want to see what the back look? I don't even know what it look like, but let's turn around. What you think? That was quick and simple. Quick and simple. Less than 15 minutes, I showed y'all how to put it in, take it out and put it in. And this is what it is. Sensational. Curls, Kinks, and Company. You got one piece, which is 9 inches. You got 2 pieces that are 7 inches. You have 4 pieces that are 5 inches. You have 2 pieces that are 3 inches. And you clip it in, and that's what it looks like. They have all different kinds. They have the straight hair. They have this one here was called a game changer. Now tell me, won't that a game changer? I always talk about a game changer. Now this is a game changer. Look at me. Look, just look though. Just look how you can make a quick style. Then you can actually get this off of Amazon. This too. I will post the links below from Amazon if you desire to take a look at them, but you can't go wrong with the clip-ins. I'm just saying, even if you don't use it often, I would just get it just to have a stash, because you never know when you're having that bad hair day or you feeling real down, you're not able to get to the hairdresser and you just need a pick-me-up. You want to be able to look under the cabinet, grab your clip-ins, and do your thing like I did. Be blessed, and again, happy Mother's Day, and the best is yet to come.